Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. Today, we're diving deep into what just might be the sleeper hit of the lightweight adventure bike world, the 2026 Yamaha XTZ250Z ADV. This bike promises big adventure from a small package, and over the next few minutes, we're going to break down everything about it: the features, the performance, the design, the price, and what makes it really unique. So, buckle up, or rather, strap your helmet on, let's go. When Yamaha announced the XTZ250Z ADV, it turned heads because it brings key elements of modern adventure riding into a mid-sized, budget-friendly, and truly usable package. This isn't just another 250 cubic centimeters commuter bike. It's designed for the rider who wants to explore dirt tracks, country roads, and even daily city rides, all on the same machine. One of the first things you notice about the XTZ250Z ADV is its engine. It uses a 249 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, four-stroke SOHC motor, air-cooled, with electronic fuel injection. That gives it strong reliability, good fuel economy, and smooth throttle response. According to Yamaha's specs for the XTZ250Z Adventure/Ténéré model, it delivers around 20.4 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute, and about 20.5 Newton-meters of torque at approximately 6,500 revolutions per minute. This makes it very usable for both city and light trail work. On the chassis side, it's built on a semi-double cradle frame that strikes a balance between toughness and agility. Suspension is tuned for adventure. Up front, a telescopic fork with long travel, 220 mm, and in the rear, a monoshock with 200 mm of travel, giving the bike clearance and comfort over rough terrain. Brakes are competent: a disc brake at the front, 245 mm, and another at the rear, 203 mm, giving good stopping power both on-road and off. Wheels are spoke-style, with a 21-inch front and 18-inch rear. That's a classic off-road friendly setup which also works reasonably on asphalt. Fuel capacity is generous for a bike of this class. The XTZ250Z ADV comes with a 16-liter fuel tank. That means potentially long cruising range before needing to refuel, a very welcome feature for adventure riders. On the weight side, Yamaha claims a curb/ready-to-ride weight of about 153 kilograms. In terms of instrumentation and rider aids, the XTZ250Z ADV is fairly modern. While it stays simple, it doesn't feel bare bones. You get a digital cluster that shows speed, trip meters, fuel gauge, and other essentials. The overall ergonomics, tall seat, wide handlebars, good ground clearance, make it very comfortable for both seated and standing riding. So, how does this little ADV actually perform? On paper, with around 20 horsepower and a relatively light weight, it's not a powerhouse, but power isn't the point here. The XTZ250Z ADV is about usability, efficiency, and confidence over mixed terrain. Thanks to the EFI and the torque curve, the bike provides good low to mid-range punch, which is exactly where you need it for trail riding and commuting. You're not going to be blasting down the highway at 150 km per hour, but that's not what this bike was built for. With that 16L tank and a small displacement engine, you're likely to get excellent fuel economy. Comparable bikes suggest very reasonable consumption, making long rides or remote adventures more practical. The combination of long travel suspension, lightweight frame, and off-road wheel size means the XTZ250Z ADV handles well on uneven terrain. It's nimble enough to flick through switchbacks and forgiving enough for gravel or dirt roads. The upright seating position plus tall windscreen, on some versions, makes this bike comfortable for both daily rides and longer journeys. The foot pegs are positioned well for off-road use, and the handlebars give good leverage for standing up when navigating rougher terrain. Because the motor is air-cooled and relatively simple, maintenance is less complex than water-cooled or multi-cylinder bikes. This simplicity can translate to lower running costs, especially in remote or rugged conditions. Visually, the XTZ250Z ADV is rugged but refined. It takes design cues from Yamaha's Ténéré heritage. The Adventure Ténéré name appears in some spec sheets. The bodywork is sharp and purposeful: front beak-style fender, angular fuel tank extensions, aggressive plastics, and a modern headlight design, depending on market, that exudes a true adventurous spirit. The bike's tall stance gives it that classic ADV silhouette, and the long travel suspension visibly contributes to that look. The spoke wheels reinforce the off-road capability, while the exhaust is tucked upward but not excessively so, giving a balance between protection and aesthetics. Color options, depending on region, play into the rugged theme, matte tones or dual-tone finishes that make the bike look ready for both city streets and backcountry tracks. What makes the 2026 XTZ250Z ADV stand out in the increasingly crowded small adventure bike segment? 1. True adventure capability in a lightweight package. Many 250 cubic centimeters bikes are either commuter-focused or lightweight trail bikes. The XTZ250Z ADV bridges this gap. With real suspension travel, proper wheel sizes, and a 16L tank, it's a genuine entry-level adventure machine. 2. Affordability and low running cost. Because of its small displacement, simple air-cooled engine, and efficient fuel consumption, this bike can be very affordable to own, ride, and maintain. 3. Versatility. It's equally at home in the city, on twisty tarmac roads, and on dirt tracks. The ergonomics, ground clearance, and suspension make it a flexible tool for various riding scenarios. 4. Accessibility for beginners. Riders new to adventure bikes will find it manageable. The power is not overwhelming, the seat height is tall yet not intimidatingly high for most, and the bike's nature encourages exploration without risk of being overpowered. 5. Heritage plus modernity. Yamaha taps into the Ténéré legacy, a name associated with rugged desert rallies, but pairs it with modern fuel injection, practical adventure geometry, and updated design. That makes it feel both nostalgic and contemporary. Now, let's talk about the price. Since this is a 2026 model and region dependent, exact pricing can vary. Based on early information and speculations, the expected price for the XTZ250Z ADV is in the range of $4,199 to $4,599. However, for markets like Latin America, for example, Yamaha's XTZ250 Adventure/Ténéré, in some regions, the bike may be priced differently. Given import duties, tariffs, and local taxes, the on-road price will depend heavily on your market. In recent years, lightweight ADV bikes have seen a surge in popularity. More riders want capable machines that don't require giant budgets or huge infrastructure. The XTZ250Z ADV arrives at a sweet spot: real capability, manageable displacement, and Yamaha's trusted reliability. For solo adventurers, weekend explorers, or even city riders who want to dream of dirt, this bike could be the perfect gateway without compromising on real adventure potential. Of course, no bike is perfect. Given its modest power, highway cruising at very high speeds or carrying heavy loads, 2+ luggage, might challenge this engine more than bigger ADV bikes. Though the 16L tank is generous, depending on fuel efficiency and terrain, fuel stops may still be needed frequently in remote areas. While suspension travel is good, it's unlikely to match high-end big adventure bikes in extreme off-road performance. Depending on the region, parts, aftermarket accessories, and servicing infrastructure for this model might not yet be widespread, especially if it's a newly launched variant. So, to wrap up, the 2026 Yamaha XTZ250Z ADV is a very thoughtful, well-balanced, and exciting addition to the adventure motorcycle world. It gives riders genuine off-road geometry, adventure styling, and real range, all in a package that's accessible, affordable, and practical. For the many people who dream of adventure but don't want to deal with the cost or size of a big ADV bike, this could be a game changer. Thanks for watching or listening. That was your deep dive on the 2026 Yamaha XTZ250Z ADV. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our future reviews. Drop a comment below if you think this bike is the next big thing in lightweight adventure, or if you'd like to see a comparison with rivals like the Hero X-Pulse, Honda XRE, or other 250 cubic centimeters ADVs. Ride safe, stay curious, and until next time, keep that bike culture alive.